Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the creative journaling workshop which I took in the month of May at this beautiful studio called KalaKorner. This studio is not only great for workshops but also really lovely for individual artists. I'll leave some details below in the description box. Here you can see me just setting up the desk for the participants using all the supplies that I got from my home. I really wish I could take some more of my supplies, but it was really difficult to carry all of this in train from Solapur to Mumbai. As you can see, there are 3 participants for this workshop. 2 of them were kids from school, and the other lady is someone I know from Instagram since a long time. I started by showing them my old journals so that they'll get an idea what are the different types of journaling. I am showing this mixed media spread and the supplies that I had used for this spread. Although this workshop was a basic creative journaling workshop, I still gave them an idea what are the different supplies for various types of art journaling. I also take online workshops, but offline workshops are really great because I personally get to interact with each one of them. I get to show them in person different techniques and also solve their queries. I started by showing them some watercoloring technique for filling some of the areas of the page with watercolor. I basically used watercolor inks that were available at the studio. After that, I showed them what are the different supplies that they can use to decorate their spreads. Then it was time for some written journaling. I was really happy to see that one of the participants grabbed my journal to get some ideas on inspirational quotes for her journaling. And the other participant also did some hand lettering. I also helped them with some prompts for journaling. Then it was time for some feedback. How did you like this workshop?
It's very useful. I learned a lot of things today. I don't know how to do the first brush strokes and everything. So I learned that how to paint the paper,
Okay, great.
including how to hold the brush.
So this workshop was interesting and I learned a lot of new things and I always wanted to do with journaling, and I also got the sticker and other things which I always liked. I loved the workshop. So basically journaling I feel is an amazing way to keep note of things and write our ambitions and what all we love and what all we want to do. And this was very creative using stickers, and I have like a huge collection of stickers at home. So I finally found a use for them. And was actually really nice, and we learned a lot of new things about how to properly place things, and even color combination, aesthetics, all of that.
Thank you.